Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a diamond painting unboxing. This I got from AliExpress, the company Evermoment. It took 24 days to come here, which is quite a while, but let's see if it's worth the wait. So far, it looks like it's packaged really good, no damages on the ends. So let's see inside. So this end is perfectly good condition, but this end seems to be cracked and bent. But let's see if everything's okay in there. It says this is a 40 by 50 and 34 colors. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so right in the center we have our toolkit, a Ziploc bag with little baggies, which is nice. Oh, we got a gift. And wow, that's washi tape, Evermoment washi tape. And the bag with diamonds, lots of blues. Let's see if I can see it. Yeah. Okay, we'll go over these things later. Let's look at the canvas first. So, actually there's another bag. Two bags. I'm going to pull out the canvas. This is actually my first time ordering from this company. I've heard a lot of good things about them, so I wanted to give it a try. So they have the inventory sheet here. So this is the picture. It's a panda with a blue background and daisies on the bottom with 34 colors. Yeah. Let's look at the canvas. This is my first time getting a canvas that does not have a clear protector at the top. I always got the ones with clear ones. So let me just pull this out. And let's see under the canvas. Do this side. Okay, let me peel it back. The protector is split in two, so there's two sections. Let me just straighten this out. The symbols are actually really nice and clear. And also, this is my first time doing a painting with square diamonds. All the time that I got my paintings, there were always round drills for some reason. This is my first time going to be working with square ones, so that should be nice and fun. Okay, let me get closer to show you guys. So if you can see, this is the bottom side with the daisy. I do see like a bubble. I'm not sure if it's a bubble or not, or a crease in the adhesive. No, it's not a bubble. That's good. But yeah, that's the canvas. Really nice and good quality. Now let's see our items. So they gave me a bunch of baggies, which is nice. I'll be using them. This gift, actually, let me see. Yeah, I'll need to use washi tape because, let me put this closer. You can see the adhesive, I'm not sure if it'll show you, goes all the way out here, so that's like a good space that will always be in the way. So I'll probably cover that up with washi tape so that fuzz and dirt doesn't get on it. That's probably what this washi tape is for. Let me open it up. It's pretty nice, and it has their Evermoment logo on it. I don't know if I like the color of it. It's not really gonna go with this picture since it's all blue, but we'll see. And here we have the toolkit. We have tweezers with a thin point. You can see them. Yeah. So that's the tweezers. Then we have our typical pen, diamond painting pen with a grip. And we have a drill placer. I think this is the 3 one. I've actually never used these drill placers because I never really did big paintings. This might be my biggest one yet. So they gave me this one and another one that's bigger. Might be the 6 placer. Then they gave me this huge chunk of wax. Oh, that actually splits into 2. And a tray. So that's the toolkit. Now let's look at the funnest part, the diamonds. So there's 2 bags of them. So you can see lots of blues. Wow, I was not expecting these. It's my first time seeing square diamonds and they're so tiny. They seem tinier than the circle ones. I wonder what it's going to be like working with them, if it's going to be harder or not. So I have some whites, blues, which I'll probably sort these out into baggies so it's easier to use. I also have some pinks for the bear's nose and toes, I think, but it's a tiny bit. Yeah, mostly blues. So yeah, that's my diamond painting. Okay, so I'm taking a closer look at these baggies and they're different from what I usually get because the center is white, which is nice to like write the number. I wonder if I have enough for each color. I'm gonna count it real quick. Okay, so I counted them all and there's actually 50 bags here and I have only 34 colors, but I think it's because some of the colors there's a lot of, so I'll need like more than 1 bag for 1 color, but that's nice. Also, the price that I paid for this diamond painting was like $25 or $24. Pretty pricey, but the quality is really nice, so I would say it's worth the price. Okay, so let me try and peel back the sheet protector on the top to see the whole painting. So this is how it looks. It's really sticky. I don't see any bubbles. There is a couple creases, but they're not really deep. They're pretty small. So it should be good. And the picture looks pretty clear since it's a bigger size. So it should turn out really nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back in my next video. Bye.